Unit 8. Theme of a lesson, class debate. Lesson outcomes. All learners will be able to outline the procedures for debate, demonstrate the abilities to prepare the arguments for debates. Task 1. Give your own definition of the word debate. Debate is What is a debate? A debate is a contest, or perhaps like a game, where two or more speakers present their arguments, intent on persuading one another. Let's read some rules of debates. Work as a team and always support each other. Listen to your opponents carefully. Make notes while your opponents are speaking to keep track of their ideas. Try to answer your opponent's questions, giving reasons for your opinion. Be polite and disciplined during the debate. Never interrupt each other. Don't speak longer than the set time limit. Task 2. Create and write the rules for the class debates. Now, let's see what is necessary to be a good speaker. Demonstrate a good knowledge of the topic. Use examples and facts to support the arguments. Show enthusiasm and confidence. Try to answer the questions even if they are tough. Speak loudly and clearly. Watch the video.
The English debate tournaments are an initiative of the English Opens Doors program of the Ministry of Education and aim to strengthen English language skills of high school students through the argumentation and exposition of facts on a particular topic. What is a debate? A debate is a formal discussion between student teams expressing opposing views on an issue or problem. Preparing for a debate. To prepare for a debate, the teacher must select a team of 5 students. 4 will participate in the debate and 1 will serve as an alternate. The role of the alternate will be to replace a teammate at any stage of the debate. The alternate cannot be replaced under any circumstances during a debate. Once the debate topic has been defined, the team of students, with the help of the teacher, should research information on the topic to be debated. Once the research and analysis has been carried out, the group of students should select the arguments for and against the debate topic and define key ideas on which their position will be based. The teacher should determine the role that each student will have in the debate. First speaker opens the debate. To do so, the student is expected to present their team, their public school, the topic, and the team's position, in addition to the 2 arguments that will be defended in depth by the team, which should be tied to a premise or idea. Second speaker examines one of the 2 arguments presented by the first debater and attempts to provide evidence or proof, either through facts and/or examples that support the argument, where relevant. Third speaker further examines the second argument introduced by the first speaker. The third speaker must provide evidence or proof of the argument presented or defended, whether through facts or examples that support said argument. In addition, this debater should have the capacity to improvise, refute the ideas expressed by the rival team, and reinforce the stance of his or her team. Before the presentation of the last debater, or fourth speaker, there should be a brief recess of a few minutes so that teams can prepare their final speech of the debate. Fourth speaker closes the debate with an accurate summary of the arguments put forward by the team without presenting new arguments. This student should also compare their team's arguments against those of the opposing team. It is important to mention that the debaters should present their speeches one at a time, and each speech can be no longer than 3 minutes. All teachers are invited to participate in this initiative, which will help students develop their critical thinking and speaking abilities in English while simultaneously promoting teamwork. Room setup. This diagram should be followed when discussing the role of each student. The room setup is key when developing a debate activity. The chairperson and timekeeper sit next to each other, between both teams. The teams sit opposite each other, allowing the first proposition speaker to face the first opposition speaker. The same layout should be followed by the other speakers. The judges sit in front of both teams. This proper organization allows for the correct flow of communication during the debate. The English debate tournaments are the perfect opportunity for teachers to promote learning and to foster confidence, organization, teamwork, cooperation, and clarity in their students. They are encouraged to share their vision, knowledge, and to stand for what they believe in. Debates promote active participation, which is key in the learning process. The English debate tournaments are not a competition, and there are no losers at the end of the activity. Everybody wins the opportunity to learn, participate, and also have fun.
Let this be the last time that a child loses life in war. Let this be the last time that we see a child out of school. Let this end with us. Let's begin this ending together, today, right here, right now. Let's begin this ending now. Thank you so much.
English debate tournaments, one step closer to knowledge.
Task 3. Answer the questions after watching. How many students are involved in the debate? What is the role of a teacher? How is room setting organized? Learn some phrases that can help to organize class debates. Agreement. Exactly. Absolutely. I totally, completely, absolutely agree with you. That's exactly what I was thinking. This is perfectly true. Disagreement. I completely disagree with that. I think your point is very misleading. I can say I share your view on this. I respect your opinion, of course, but on the other hand, I'm afraid I don't see it this way. Your opinion. Well, I agree with you on the whole, but I take your point, however, it seems to me that you definitely have a point here, but I'd like to add that I think that, in my opinion. Task 4. Think over and do the task. Write the topic for the class debate. Agree or disagree using phrases. Give your own opinion. Reflection. I have learned about. The information about was useful. Now I can. Homework. Find the information about the parliamentary debate.